see if it's going to start in a minute. I'll just change the carb on it. What is that? Oh, this is a petrol saw. I've just changed the carb. This is the old one. Just put it back together. Stihl saws from building sites in London. Yeah, TS410 this is. This is the most popular saw, I'd say now. Are you repairing that? Yeah, I've just changed the carburetor. This carb weren't priming, so I thought it'd be easy just to change it. It's non-original, this one. I've got a proper Stihl one now. Yeah, that wasn't priming, it's priming now. So there she go. Oh, yeah. Making it a fire now. That's the decompressor. Oh, choke. Let's put the choke on. A few more primes. Some fresh carb, so a few more primes on that. Bruised. There we go. She's not having it. Oh, there we go, bit of action. What we get down on her? Hi. Thumbs up. Here's the goer. Nice one, buddy. Just put the rest back together now, and then we'll give it another go. Just put the filter on, the air filter. It's a little pre-filter. What's the fuel? It's petrol 2-stroke 50-1. Stihl 2-stroke oil. Feels not too bad. Stop clipping in there. Oh, that's better. So anyone new watching, I've just changed this carb on this petrol saw. It's just started up. What's that? Oh yeah, this is for tarmac or concrete. Just change the blade over. Let's give it another tighten. One. This one. 2, 3, 4. Back together. Use a new blade on. Let's take this blade off. So another little feature here, you can put a screwdriver in here to lock the blade up. So, and then get the little spanner on the nut. It's an old blade. It's well used, that one. Let's leave the blade off for now. Let's do this back up. I've got a concrete blade just here, diamond tipped. So spray water on the concrete. So it just keeps the dust down. Let's do this back up. So let it come undone and I'll start it up again. Nice one. This little guard to change at the front next. Change this a bit rough, so I'm going to change that guard. Screws take off. Got a new pull cord put on it. It's a lot better. You can see how the plastic's faded. There's the belt that drives the blade. I've got another saw here. I'm going to bar it off. That's a better one. Now you can see this one's got the pull cord off. It's got the pull cord off here. Now you can see the clutch. Right, here we go. The belt's in good nick still. Worth getting out the actually just to check. There's no frays on it. That looks good to me. This is the tensioner. You have to undo these 3 nuts on the side to loosen that. You put the spanner on here, and that loosens the belt if you want to change it. Too tight. Okay, let's fire up again. It's just started, so it might not need choke this time.
Whose is that, mine?
Yeah, this one's yours, yeah. I just changed the carb on it.
Right.
This isn't priming. Got some compression on it. I don't know if that, yeah. Start when I was just turned down a little bit. What a lot of racket people. Yeah, we can turn the throttle down, turn the rev down a little bit. That was good. Off camera again, start. That's better. She's not revving up now. I think it's this cap on the top was a bit tight, was making it. Let's try that again. One more time. One more time. Sweet, happy. Everyone watching, I've just changed the carburettor on this saw. It weren't priming, so that's a lot better now. I just had to slow the revs down and do it revving up a bit high. Little adjustment just on the side of the this side here. This one here. put in the screwdriver and I just screw in there to adjust this lever on the carb. That one there just turns it down a little bit. Oh dear me, nice. Lovely. Thanks for watching this little video. Apologies for the cold I seem to have in this video. I was sniffing quite a bit. Anyway, thanks for watching. There's more videos on Stihl cutters to come, and I'll see you next time.